So what is up people, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crazy Science. So today in this video I'll be teaching you how to create and start a YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to create an email. So head on to Google and create yourself an email. So after you're done creating an email, head on to YouTube and sign in with that account. So once you're done signing in, click on that icon and click create a channel. And then click get started and choose your channel's name. So you can either choose your own name or you can enter a custom name. So I have selected the custom one. Go ahead and type your channel's name. So once you're done, click on create and you'll be head on to the next page. So in here you can edit your profile picture and you can edit some other basic things. So once you're done with everything, click save and continue and you'll be redirected to your channel page. So once you are here, click onto the icon and click YouTube Studio. So this is going to be your YouTube channel studio and the place where you can edit and change stuff. So I'm going to show you some basic settings which we are going to change right now. So head on to settings, so click channel and over here you're going to change your country and you can add some tags related to the channel. So once you're done with that, you can head on and check other features which are available in these settings. Then after that, just go to channel, then click advanced settings, and if your channel is related to kids content, you have to click the first option. If it's not, you have to click the second option, or if you want to review every video, you can click the third option. And you can have a look on some other settings like display subscriber count and some other things. Then once you're done with this, click on features eligibility, and you have to verify your channel using a mobile phone. So click on save, then once again go to your settings, go to channel, feature eligibility, click on that arrow, and then click verify phone number. So you'll go head on to another page, select your country, then you can either get it by call or text message, enter your phone number and click submit, and you'll get the code. So enter that code to this page and then click submit. And if everything is entered correctly, you will get verified. So this is one of the main and important step if you want to start a YouTube channel. So once you're done with that, close everything and just refresh your YouTube studio. So now I'm going to teach you how to customize your channel. Click on your channel logo and it will be redirected to another page. Then click on customize channel, and over here you can add channel trailers and you can edit playlist in the featured section and some other stuff. So on the second option you have some options to change your logo, banner image and video watermark. So we'll be changing the banner image right now. So once you're done with the banner image, go to video watermark and upload your logo, and then click done and select entire video. So after you're done with this, click on basic info and you can change your channel's description, and you can add some channel URL links, and also you can add your email address. So once you're done and satisfied with all of those, click on that blue color publish button and it will get published. So as you can see, everything is successfully changed, and even in the about section we have added our email address, and the description, everything shows perfectly. So once you're done with all of this, close everything and just go to your YouTube studio and just refresh the page. So we have successfully edited our channel, and now I'm going to show you about the monetization feature. So click on it, and as you can see, you will be needing 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours to get monetized. So click on that option which says notify me when I'm eligible, and once you're done reaching those thresholds, YouTube will send you an email and then you can head on to the monetization process. So now after learning how to edit your channel and regarding the monetization, I'm gonna teach you how to upload a YouTube video. So click on the upload videos button and you'll get a page where you can be able to drag and drop the videos, or you can select the files. So this is going to be the uploading page. So if you look at the bottom, you will be able to see the uploading percentage and the time remaining. And here you can choose the video's title, description and some other things. Now I am adding the title, and then I'll be adding the description. So after you're done with the title and the description, you can upload the thumbnail. So you just click the upload thumbnail button and you can select a specific thumbnail and it will get added. And then you can create playlist, and there are some other features like choosing whether this video is for kids or like restricting the videos over 18, some other features. And then click more options, and over there you can add tags to your video. So after you're done adding text to your video, you can scroll down and you can choose the video's language. And then you have an option for the caption certification, and then you can choose your recording date and your video location and the license and distribution, whether Creative Commons or standard YouTube license. And in the category section, you have to choose what your video is going to be about. And then you can choose the comment and rating settings. So once you're done with this, wait till the processing HD version completes. So after that, you can head on to video elements. Over here you can add end screen or cards, so it's up to you. So after you're done with those, just click next and you will be to the section where it says visibility. So either you can save or publish, you can private, unlist, or you can make it public, or you can either schedule your video on a preferred time. You can just click on schedule and you can select the date, time and the time zone. So I want this video to get published right now, so I'm gonna click save or publish and click the public option, and then I'm gonna click publish and it will be loading, and once it's done it will say that video is published. So you just refresh your page and just head on to content, and as you can see the video is published. So click on that YouTube icon, and as you can see that your video has been successfully published and it's on YouTube, and the title and the description all shows in, and there are some other features, and you can see the channel tags and the video tags, everything are there. So this is the video. And then if you head back to your YouTube studio, you can go to the analytics section of the YouTube video, and here you can see your analytics of the video. And then you can also edit the video by clicking the details option, and then you can edit your video once again if you wish. So that's all about it, and you have successfully learned how to create a YouTube channel. And if you love to see more content like this or anything else, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and as always, see you guys in the next one.